Let me tell you about what we have done. The Multimedia Group Limited has donated sets of some personal protective equipment and alcohol-based hand sanitizers to some health centers and police stations in Accra. The gesture, according to the General Manager of Adum Cluster and Multi-TV, Abdullahi Awudu, is to complement government's efforts in the fight against coronavirus. More in this report.
The Multimedia Group Limited, as part of its corporate social responsibility, has over the years supported the less privileged and also undertaken various social interventions targeted at developing society. On Wednesday, April 22nd, the group demonstrated this again when it made a stop at the Kotobabi and Nima police stations, the Malmobi General Hospital and the Nima Polyclinic to present some PPEs to the staff to aid in the fight against the coronavirus. The group's first stop was at the Malmobi General Hospital. General Manager Adum Cluster and Multi-TV Abdullahi Awudu, who presented the items on behalf of the group, urged the staff to continue giving off its best.
This is our contribution to your fight. You guys have been tremendous. You've been great on the front line. We know you are the first point of contact when anybody is not feeling well. So you are really exposed. But we've seen the great jobs that you've been doing. We know that we are in this together as media people. We are on the front line trying to educate people. And we thought that it would be good for us to come and support you in your work. So we brought some face masks, some latest gloves, aprons, sanitizers to help you do your work and do it very well. So on behalf of Multimedia Group, please accept our contribution.
Administrator of the hospital, Madam Helen Tete, who received the items, was hopeful they would go a long way to aid and protect the staff in their line of duties.
Thank you very much. On behalf of management and staff of Malmobi General Hospital, I would like to say a very big thank you to Multimedia Group for this kind gesture. I think it will go a long way in the fight against the ongoing pandemic. We thank you so much, and we pray that you come again and again.
Host of Joy FM Super Morning Show, Daniel Dadze, who was also part of the team, called on other organizations to emulate the gesture.
I think that it's an effort that is laudable, must be copied, must be promoted by other media houses. And I'm excited to know also that we are not stopping here. There are many other places which we will be supporting in like fashion.
At the Kotobabi police station, Chief Superintendent Yvonne Cindy-Osei assured the team the items would be put to good use.
I wish to express our appreciation to the Multimedia Group of Company for doing us this honor. It is said it's better late than never. We really appreciate your donation to us this afternoon. I believe, like you rightly said, we are all into this together as frontliners. And we promise you that we will use the item that has been delivered to us to good use. We hope the command and people around its catchment does not fall victims of the coronavirus. We are so much grateful.
Thank you.
Like the proverbial Oliver twist, we will definitely ask for more.
The team made other stops at the Nima police station and the Nima Polyclinic.